Hello, English learners! Today, we're focusing on the definite article the. Knowing when to use the is crucial for making your English sound natural and precise. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to use the correctly in various contexts. First, let's talk about using the with specific nouns. We use the when we're referring to something particular that both the speaker and listener know about. For example, the book on the table is mine refers to a specific book that both people are aware of. Similarly, the teacher in room 5 is very kind, specifies which teacher is being talked about. Next, this is used for superlatives and ordinal numbers. For instance, you would say, she is the best student in the class, or this is the first time I'm visiting New York. In these cases, this highlights the uniqueness or ranking of the noun. We also use the when talking about something unique or one of a kind. Examples include the sun, the moon, and the internet. There is only one of each. So the makes it clear when we are talking about that specific unique item. Another important usage is with previously mentioned nouns. For instance, if you say, I saw a cat, the cat was sleeping on the couch. The first mention of a cat is indefinite, but the second mention uses the because we now know which cat is being referred to. Lastly, the is used with geographical names and institutions, like the United States, the Eiffel Tower, or the government. This usage helps specify a particular place or organization known to both the speaker and listener. Imagine you're giving directions. You might say, turn left at the next traffic light, or the museum is on the right. Using the correctly ensures your instructions are clear and specific. To practice, try using the in sentences about your surroundings or activities. For example, the coffee shop near my house has great coffee. Or, I enjoyed the movie we watched last night. It was cool. This will help you get comfortable with when and how to use the. By mastering the use of the, you'll add precision and clarity to your English. Keep practicing and you will be using the like a native speaker in no time. See you next time for more helpful English tips. Bye bye!